Alright mate, yeah, let's have a look here. XRP. Now if you remember my previous videos from the group, you know, I talked about how XRP is likely going to drop back down from here, and I said it was going to go below 50 cent. I mean, what I said was below 50 cent is probably a good place to start accumulation again, and here we are. I suppose we're back down there now, which is very interesting. You know, you never usually, it's not that you never usually, it's always a possibility, but it's always slightly surprising when it drops straight down. You know, in the moment I probably expected some sort of drop and a retest of the highs before coming back down or something like that, but you know, it just crashed straight back down. So that just shows the strength of it in the moment. But as I mentioned in my trading view video, it is no surprise whatsoever. Every single pump in XRP's history has dropped back down, right? Every single pump. Okay, so like if you look at every single one of these, what do they all have in common? Every single one of them, right? I'm drawing every one of them. Every single one of them have dropped back down. Okay, so you know, it's no surprise to me that XRP was going to drop back down. Okay, so that's what XRP does. It's a shitcoin. It trades like a shitcoin, and you know, it's a pump and dump, if you want to call it. So what I'm saying is, in this next coming alt season, right, be prepared to take profits. If you're accumulating XRP here, here, and here, right, and having patience and waiting for this to go back up, well, you need to be prepared to be, you know, scaling out of your position. If it, like, I do think that XRP has a possibility of breaking those highs. It's a real possibility. I'll get to that in a minute. But you know, it's okay to take some profits here, and it's okay to take some profits here. And if you're lucky enough and it goes higher, because XRP's got a huge market cap, if we get above here, personally I would be selling, to be honest. Okay, that's my personal opinion on it, because every single pump on XRP's history has dropped back down. So anyway, what I want to flip to here anyway is the yearly chart. Okay, the yearly chart is going to be important. A lot of new traders don't understand how important the yearly chart actually is, but this to me is a bullish pattern, right? This entire thing should be bullish, right? It should be. I would, and you can see the yellow 9 EMA on the yearly chart just forming here. That's pretty good. We want to hold above that. You do not want to really break down below that. It's not a good sign. But look at all the liquidity up here as well, right? Price didn't come for that yet. But the problem is, what happened this year was that price came up and stopped onto the yearly low, right? That's a failure. That's a failed move right there. So, you know, after something like that, it mostly needs a new year. Now, can we bounce back up a little bit? Yeah, okay, it's very possible. But I think next year, I think dips down into here, into the body of here, this candle here. I think that they are going to be very good buying opportunities. Now, there is an element to say that you could buy a little bit here if you're really, really keen on XRP. But you know, I think that just like all of the other alt seasons, I mean, here and here, they mostly are okay to wait until a new year to be buying. Like you can see here, this candle drop right back down to the open, right down here. Is this one going to drop right back down to the open? Well, and that's not sure yet. I don't know. I need to look into the other charts. But what I'm saying is, I don't think the main move will be until a new year, right? So I don't think there's massive panic on to be buying XRP at the moment. But if you're really, really dead set on XRP, you could start to accumulate here. Start small and be prepared to down cost average. So if I show you Bitcoin versus XRP, now it is very, very, very possible that XRP is trying to form something similar, right? I know XRP market cap is huge, but there is the real possibility that if we get a real bull run, you know, when Bitcoin gets launched on the ETF, there is the real possibility that it could actually start working its way up and building a bullish base here, like this, built a bullish base above the moving averages. Look at the, you know, I said you want to hold above this yellow EMA. This yellow EMA is now kind of forming, and price will try and hold above it. If we can try and hold above it and break out of this trend line, there might be a bigger move to the upside. So it is worth watching XRP into a new year. Dips on a new year could be very good buying opportunities for buying and holding into the next bull run.